So he helped us with the initial build. Dileep bhai,
but number of cores भी ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं.
which is of and esport. Hello everyone, again this is Shoaib and my channel is The Adventure Wheels, but recording this video for Naveed, and we are heading over to SP Road today to build a PC. So we're not taking our TRK today because again we will have to carry the PC and come back home. So yeah, we will keep you guys posted on further updates while we are building the PC, and yeah, let's go, chalo.
Till now, as I was riding the bike. So the plan is to go to PC Kumar. We had been there last week to check to get the quotation, and I checked the quotation with the online prices as well, and the prices seems to be alright because Shoaib had built this PC long back from him, and even he recommended the same. So today we are going in to get the PC ready. So we are on our way, and it will take around 10-15 minutes to reach the place. So once I'm there, I'll get started with the PC build. We are in SP Road, so we parked our bike here. So this is the way, and this is Dharmaraya Swami Devalaya temple. Yeah, that's the shop, and this is how you enter.
Reached SP Road, and this is where the PC Kumar store is. So we've showed you the place, how it looks from the outside, and this is the first shop where we have my brother Jitu.
Hi.
He helped us with the initial build, so he's given us a quotation and we are ready to build our PC. So this is the shop. I mean, anything that you need in terms of your PC build, you can come down here. This is the best shop that you can get that you can get the best customer experience that I've experienced. And coming down to the next one, so this is where all the magic happens. We've got my brother Dileep bhai. So he's going to be building our PC, and Naveed is here. He's ready to get his PC built. So let's see, we'll go through the complete process one more time, and we're just trying to sort things out.
But number of cores भी ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं.
So we have shortlisted these three cabinets because my requirement is I need a smaller cabinet, not a bigger one, because there is no much space on my desktop, on my table. So this is mini, this is mid variant, and this is somewhere in between these two. So we are looking for a black option in this, and this looks good because all the power supply goes behind, and it, motherboard covers everything, so it doesn't look clunky. So we are thinking to finalize this. So we are looking for a white graphic card as well, because as per Dileep, they don't have a black graphic card. So once we get a confirmation that we have a white graphic card, we'll go with the white one, or else we'll go with the black one.
Okay, so for the motherboard, we've selected the MSI Pro V760M, which is a Wi-Fi motherboard for our Core i7 processor. And then next we have the Deep Cool CPU cooler, which is white in color. Again, we're going with the complete white setup. So we've got the Deep Cool AK620 CPU cooler, and then we have the power supply unit, which is 750D, which is 80 plus gold. So we've gone for the power supply unit, we've gone with Deep Cool again, which is P7550. And then we've got the graphic card. Again, after a lot of efforts, thanks to Dileep bhai, he was able to arrange the white graphic card for us. So we've got the ASUS dual graphic card, which is 460 Ti overclock edition, which comes with 8 GB of memory. And then we've got the cabinet, which is of and esport. Again, this is somewhere between mini and micro, and this was the best suited at the moment, and that's why we went ahead with this. And then again we have the processor, which is the i7-14700F 14 gen processor. And then finally coming down to the NVMe SSD, we've got the WD Black SN850X, which is 4th gen. And then finally coming down to the RAM, we have T-Create. Again, it's 32 GB, 2 sticks of 16 GB, which is 5600 megahertz. So that's the complete build we have for now, and let me show you a time-lapse video of how we're going to assemble this, and we'll take it forward from there. So Dileep bhai is the man today, so he's going to get this done for us. Thank you so much, Dileep bhai. Let's get started. Yes. Action camera में सूचना कौन से रिकॉर्ड
Done. So the build is ready. We tested everything, software and stuff. So we are packing it up as we have to take it on my Jupiter. So once the packing is done, we are good to go.
हमको एक्चुअली वो विंडोज के बाद एक